Hey guys, Mason here. I've had a lot of questions lately about what I carry in my tool pouch. It's in this Moose Racing fender bag that I have clipped to the crash bars on the KLR 650. So let's open it up and see what I carry. Okay, so here's the bag off the bike. And all the work that I've done on the bike so far has been done with tools that are in this kit. And what I do is I use the tools that I carry to do all the maintenance on the bike. And if there's anything that I'm missing, I supplement it with something from the shop and go from there. So this kit has been built up using some of the tools that came with the bike and basically anything that I found that I needed as I went through doing the maintenance on it. So that's how I've come up with this. So in the top part of the Moose Racing fender bag, I have long zip ties and short zip ties. I have a set of needle nose bent end needle nose pliers, a piece of vacuum line, and a piece of fuel line. Then I have this handy little rig that I picked up at Princess Auto that carries the screwdriver bits in one side and my 1/4-inch drive ratchet sockets in the other side. It also has a screwdriver, a knife and a saw, and really I bought it because it just gives me a nice spot to hold all this stuff. So that's that rig. Spare bolts, one of just about everything that I need for the bike, electrical tape, and some dual lock for the helmet cameras and all that sort of stuff. Then I have a set of wire cutters and strippers, and I have the channel locks, the big channel locks, in case something gets bent on the bike and I need to bend it back. In a pinch, it would work on a bolt that gets gnarly. So I do carry those. They're fairly heavy, but I think it's worth having. And then this pouch is the OEM pouch that came with the bike, but it's been fairly heavily modified. There's a 17 mil, that's the one for the oil drain plug. And in the end of it is the 1/4 drive adapter. Here we have the 27, 19, 17, 14 that came with the tool pouch on the bike and the extension arm for those. Then I have the Allen keys that I need for the Desmo bolt kit that I just put on the bike. So all my external bolts are Allen head now, and all my engine casings are Allen head. So I have the Allen keys as well as the Allen bits that will go into either that or into my 1/4-inch drive ratchet, which has this end on it to take the bits, and it also has an end in here if you're just doing something small. So the 1/4 drive, 2 extensions, an 8 mil gear wrench, a 10 mil gear wrench, and a 12 mil gear wrench. And with that right there, I can repair just about anything on the motorcycle, take it off, put it back on again. Now, in here is a set of mechanics latex gloves and a tire patch kit. And then in the back side of the bag, I have a little bag here that a speaker came in, that I carry a Sharpie, JB Weld, spare spark plug, and a secondary tire patch kit. Actually, I forgot that was in there. That doesn't even need to be in there anymore. So that's just some small little bits and pieces that go together. Then I carry a spare brake lever and clutch lever. In here I have a pouch of organic grease and dielectric grease, or silicone grease, and some spare clips for my luggage, a tire valve tool, blue Loctite, and a little bit of crazy glue. Spare shift lever, more gloves, and a length of paracord. So if I break a shifter, clutch or brake lever. I have spares. A little bit of grease just in case I drop an axle in the mud and I have to clean it off and re-grease it. Some JB Weld if something happens to, heaven forbid something happens to an engine case or something, it's possible to maybe repair it on the side of the trail. And then all the tools to do the work. And that's it, that's the kit. It's not too heavy, it doesn't weigh too much, and because it's forward on the bike and mounted onto the front crash bars, it actually helps balance the bike out. Now, this I have on the left side of the motorcycle. I have the exact same bag on the right hand side of the crash bars, and in it is a front tube and rear tube, tire irons, and a jack rod that I made for lifting either the front or rear of the bike off the ground, in combination with the side stand to remove the tires. And that actually really fills that other bag out. The two tubes are quite large and they do take up a lot of space. So it's nice having the tools in one side, the tubes and irons in the other side, and yeah, so that's it. The biggest advice I can give you guys, if I have any at all, is to make sure that you try to do your maintenance that you do on the bike, even if you're in the comfort of your own shop, but do your maintenance with the toolkit that you're gonna carry. And as you go along, you'll find out what works, what doesn't work, what you need, what you don't need, what's missing, and then you can add it. And things that just make the job easier, like the gear wrenches. They are a lifesaver when you're working in a small spot. The tools that, these wrenches that came with the bike, I actually find quite handy, the 19 and 27 for the axle nuts and stuff. They're fairly small for the size of them. Like a 27 mil wrench, you know, it's generally speaking a lot larger, and this is a nice setup with the extension handle, and it works really well. Even the 17 and 14 in a small size like that is hard to find, so that's why these have remained with it. Yeah, that's the kit. So there you go. I've had a lot of questions about that and thought I would just do a quick video about it and see what you guys thought. If there's anything that you think I'm missing, let me know. Or if there's stuff in here that you don't think I need, let me know. I'd love to know what you guys carry. Like I said, this is just what I've found that I need to work on this one, but there's always lots of great ideas out there. So throw them in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this snow ends soon, and we'll get some riding in. Cheers. Catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Mason out.
Hey guys, if you liked that video, hit the thumbs up button for us. It goes a long way towards helping out the channel. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button in the upper corner for new videos every Sunday. Be glad to have you along for the ride.